Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have Essentials installed. Start by confirming exact versions so you know what you're fixing. Run Python version and inspect your environment, Conda, Venv, or system, because conflicts often live there. Once done, import Matplotlib in a REPL and print its version to ensure you aren't mixing versions. Then create a tiny script that reproduces the error. This isolates whether the problem is configuration, a backend, or code. Make sure to note traceback lines for the next step. Now diagnose. Backends and dependencies are the most common culprits, so start by trying a safe backend like AG for headless servers or TK-AG for desktops. That tells you if the GUI stack is failing. If that changes behavior, upgrade or force reinstall Matplotlib and key dependencies, NumPy, Pillow, PyParsing, so binary wheels match your interpreter. Also confirm your virtualenv uses the intended interpreter. And on Linux, check display and X11 libraries. On Mac OS, verify backend compatibility with your Python build. Finish by rerunning the minimal reproduction script to confirm your plots now display or save correctly. If they do, incrementally reintroduce your original code. If the issue persists, create a clean virtual environment or conda-env and install only the required packages and a known good Matplotlib version to eliminate hidden conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: always capture the full traceback and output of pip freeze or conda list. This information lets you compare environments and spot mismatched binaries quickly when you need.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.